Hello, so here is my final presentation for my Computer Fundamentals and Application course. What I did here is I just used some of the design ideas to figure out how I want to lay out my title slide. And I went with this one here. And for my transitions, I applied the morph transitions to all of the slides. Now, with playing the slideshow, you can see from the beginning, the first slide is my title slide. My next slide talks about all the skills that I learned in general throughout the whole course. And then I go on to talk about things that I learned with Excel, as well as the next slide, which is things that I learned from using Access and also PowerPoint. In this slide, I talk about how I applied each to my daily life and what I've learned from teamwork. I talk about positive aspects of the course as well as negative aspects, and I sum it up with my conclusion, and that would be the end of my PowerPoint.